Hi, welcome back. It is the end of my workday right now, and I thought I would just sit down and do a casual video sharing 5 things that I really can't stop using. 5 things that I feel have made an impact on me in the past month and a half, some of these longer. I think it's just good to do a quick little roundup here and there, sharing things that have really made a difference in my routine or that have really impressed me. So the first thing is actually a collection, and this was sent to me by Credo. I didn't really think anything of it when I got it in. I was like, oh, okay, cool. This is a celebrity founded brand, and I know we are kind of tired of, especially like celebrity beauty brands popping up literally around every single corner. But I feel like this is a celebrity that is pretty well loved, pretty trusted, pretty iconic. And I have to say, I have been using this entire hair care line and it has been working so well for my hair. So this is Jennifer Aniston's line called LoLavie, and I just have the hair oil here at my office to show you. I actually have the full collection back at my house, the shampoo, conditioner, there's a glossing detangler, a leave-in treatment, and then the hair oil, which I have here. So I want to start off with the smell of this. It is very clean citrus. It says it has lemon extract in it throughout, so I'm assuming that's where that citrus element is coming in at. But other than that, it's almost acidic. It gets very interesting when I smell this hair oil. I mainly get lemon, like high notes of lemon, but there's almost this acidic like apple cider vinegar smell, which I know sounds off-putting, and I hate the smell of vinegar. So I don't want to like scare you away, but it's just like this very natural, clean smell. So really love that about it. The shampoo and conditioner feels so lightweight on me. So this year in particular, I've really been struggling with shampoo and conditioners being too heavy for my hair. I was recently using the Ceramide, I think it was their guava shampoo and conditioner, and it was so oily and greasy on my hair that it took like 2 weeks after just one wash to get the oil buildup that was happening in my hair. And then I had it happen with another random brand I got at Ulta. So I don't know what's going on like with my hair. It could just be me, but I've just been experiencing like oil buildup. So the LoLavie shampoo conditioner has been super lightweight. It gets a really good lather. And again, the scent isn't overbearing. I just feel like I have really clean hair after I use it. And I've been getting amazing blowouts. Every single time I use the shampoo conditioner, guarantee like my blowout is going to look awesome. So I've also been using the glossing detangler and the leave-in treatment, although sometimes I will just like flip-flop back and forth. I've also been using the glossing detangler in my son's hair, and it's been working great. So I'm here to report on LoLavie because I bet you have been getting a ton of ads for this. You know what, Jen Ann, I gotta hand it to you. It's working out good. No negative thoughts, no negative comments from me. I've actually very much been enjoying this entire line. This next product, I'm so mad I've not had an opportunity to talk about this here on YouTube. I have mentioned it several times on my Instagram and TikTok, and I did post a short here on YouTube, so you may have caught the short of this product, but I was stunned on the floor when I first tried this. It just looked immaculate on my skin, and I have been so impressed with the formula ever since. I've worn this at least a couple times a week since receiving it, probably almost a month ago now, but it is the Mob Beauty Ceramide Blurring Foundation. And Mob Beauty is known for their recyclable packaging. Supposedly all of this packaging is biodegradable. They do really cool videos on their Instagram where they actually will put this in a compost pile and come back and check on it a month or 2 months later, and they show how it literally just like breaks back down into the earth. So very cool packaging coming from them. This is refillable, so you can keep using it, until it kind of, I don't know, until it starts to wear down. But let's talk about the formula on this. This is such a cool, hyper-realistic formula. Texture-wise, I would say it is a little bit more on the emollient side. So, keep that in mind if you do have an oily skin type. I know some people just can't do that emollients, but this is gonna sound bad. It's thick, but feels lightweight. I don't know if that makes sense to you, but when you touch it, you're going to notice this thick emollient like filling, but then when you get it blended in, it looks so smooth and it feels really lightweight on. I would just say if you like that model, like hyper realistic skin look, this will be a great one to look into. I was just floored the first time I used this. Like I was just looking at my skin in the mirror and it looked so incredibly beautiful. I also love that it's travel friendly. Like this is such a tiny little compact here, eco-friendly. We love to see it. Yeah, I'm looking forward to exploring Ma Beauty more. It's been on my radar. I just haven't gotten around to trying it. And was very fortunate they did send this over to me as a little PR sample, and I've been in love ever since trying it. So if you're an avid Ma Beauty user, let me know what some of your favorite Ma Beauty products are, because I have a little list going. I'm going to get on Credo and start ordering some things that seem intriguing to me. Let's talk about what's on my eyes right now. I don't know if you can tell because it's very bright. It's at the end of the day and I'm in the brightest room in my office. I don't know if you can tell, but I have a little bit of a lavender haze, like glitter moment going on right now. Stunning eyeshadow combination. So this is actually 2 eyeshadows. Technically, like this is more than 5 products I'm talking about, but I wear them together and they just look so incredibly good. So the first is one of the new shades from Gen C. They're liquid matte eyeshadows and it's in the shade Orchid. It is the most wearable purple I have ever used. Like I feel like any skin tone could wear this. It is not overbearing. It's gonna obviously look different on you depending on how light or dark your skin is, but I would say universally, it's going to be such a pretty like pale lavender on everyone. I love mixed media liquid shadows. They're so easy to apply. They dry down really well. And this is such like an easy product to throw on. Now, I have been topping this with the Rem Beauty FemBot eyeshadow, and I don't know what these are called. I think they're just called the liquid eyeshadows. I saw my friend Daisy Cash talk about these on TikTok, and they were a part of the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. I think they were on sale for like $8. So I picked up a couple and put these 2 together and it was like magic. I absolutely love the way that they look together. It's just a fun little twist, you know, kind of like switch up your makeup, add a little fun pop to the eyes. Yeah, these 2 are so fun for that. And honestly, going back to Gen Z, if you haven't checked out, they also have a few other new shades in the mixed media liquid shadows that are more neutral, and those are also really pretty. I've also been enjoying those, but I wanted to put Orchid on your radar because it's just so wearable. It looks so good, and again, I've been like obsessed. We're gonna take it back to another foundation, and this is one I've actually seen a couple of negative reviews on, and I just have to say I don't get it, because every single time I use it, I just feel like my skin looks incredible. I understand everyone has different skin types and preferences, but I just one of those, again, I look at my skin in the mirror and I'm just like, it looks perfect. Like there's absolutely nothing wrong with my skin right now, and it's so lightweight and breathable. I don't know, I've just been really pleased with the formula overall, and it's the bareMinerals Original Pure Serum Radiant Natural Foundation. So if I'm not wearing the mauve one, this is the one that I have been wearing, and I have a full review on this I did a few weeks ago on my channel. You can go back and find it if you want to see me talk more in depth on this, but yeah, it's just if you remember their Bare Skin Serum Foundation, which had to have launched close to 10 years ago, this is like 1,000% better version of it. It has more coverage. It lays on the skin more seamlessly. It's just the total package. It's absolutely lightweight, seamless, and it looks so youthful on, which I love to see in foundation formulas. Anytime I put a foundation on my skin and I feel like I look younger, I'm like, yes, sis, give it to me. That's how I feel with this. It looks so breathable and fresh on the skin. So I'm here to say that I love this. Truly, between the mauve and this one, I can't put either one of them down. Also, they market this to apply with your hands, which I love because we like a good throw on and go product. That's how I've been using it, and I think that that's how it works best. It's just such a good I don't know, daily wear, multi-purpose foundation. Okay, last product I'm going to actually combo with another product because this is like a stupidly expensive product, and I've talked about this a few times in the past couple months. I have been using this moisturizer literally all year. Like, I think I got this maybe even back last December, and when I tell you I am obsessed, like on another level, I truly am. And it's also a moisturizer that I love mixing with my higher coverage foundations. So it's the Augustinus Bader Rich Cream. And this is like, when you go to Nordstrom and look at the price of this, you are talking like La Mer price range. It is stunningly shocking, okay? And I'll be honest with you, when I first started using this, Augustinus Bader sent me the Rich Cream. Like, they sent me the Rich Cream and then a few of their other products to try, but since then I've repurchased this twice. So, you know, if your girl's like going out and dropping the dough on it, it's, you know, it's gotta be like worth my time. This is such a great, I use it for daytime. I also I have a little travel set, and I'll use the Rich Cream for nighttime too. It works fine for night as well. There's also a lighter version of this just called the Cream. If you have more combination normal skin, but I use the rich version, and like I said, I love wearing it underneath makeup. It just gives me that angelic look underneath my makeup. And I'll do 2 pumps of Augustinus Bader Rich Cream, and then back at home, the foundation I currently have in my project pan is the Haus Labs foundation, and I've been doing 2 pumps of Augustinus Bader Rich Cream with 1 pump of the Haus Labs foundation, mixing it together in my hands and applying it. It's just like hydration heaven, looks glowy, looks healthy, beautiful. This is just such a good mixing medium for foundations, but I realize it's ridiculous to just use it as a mixing medium, obviously. I think it does have benefits, like my skin always feels hydrated. There's something in it called TFC8. I have no clue. I have I recently bought another little value set because it had the oil in it, the face oil, and it smells like pot. I'm just gonna be honest, it's so funny to me because TFC8, it doesn't rhyme with THC, but like there's a T and a C in it. I don't know. I've been using the face oil, love it, use it at night. It's an awesome product. But yeah, there's like a faint scent to me of like weed. So I don't know what they're cooking up at Augustinus Bader, but I do like it. Okay, and I did have to bring you back to reality with honestly a very close and similar product, and one that I think, especially if you struggle with eczema like I do, this honestly tops the Augustinus Bader. Like, I would buy this 100 times over the Augustinus Bader. I just recently have been liking using these for different reasons. So it's La Roche Posay Cicaplast. We all know and love her. Amazing product if you have irritated, sensitive, eczema-prone skin, even if you have normal skin. This is a great barrier protection product. Recently, I have been having, I think I've mentioned this before, my office is on campus. I live in a college town, and these little idiots, these little 20-year-olds on their motorcycles are just killing me through here. They're killing me. Anyways, recently, well, I should stop saying recently. My skin is always flaring up. Like, I'll have one good week and then it's back in the dumps for me. And not a whole lot was working for me recently. And so I pulled out Cicaplast, put it on, you know, kind of use this as my final layer, and the next morning, what do you know? My skin looks the best that it has in weeks. So the texture on Cicaplast is very similar to the texture on Augustinus Bader. It's so interesting. If you've ever tried either one of these products, you know what I'm talking about. They're very rich, but they almost have a tug to them. And then once you get them blended into the skin, it almost looks like water sitting on top of your skin. That's how both of these formulas perform, and that's why I like both of them. They just look so radiant on. However, I don't like using Cicaplast underneath my makeup. I would say that the Augustinus Bot or Rich Cream is a little bit thinner, or it absorbs a little bit better. Cicaplast I've never liked using underneath makeup. I only use this at night. So I would say they're a little bit different in that sense. But, you know, if you want obviously a more affordable version, go for Cicaplast all the way. Okay, I think that's it. I think those were my 5 most loved products recently, the products I cannot stop reaching for. Let me know what some of your most used products have been as well. I always like to know. Also, let me know if you like this quick little, you know, 5 products that I can't stop using style video. I just wanted to incorporate some quicker videos just to see like how you guys enjoy that, because each year YouTube changes, each year my audience changes. You know, 3, 4, 5 years ago, people were loving like 10-minute videos. Then it kind of gradually increased to 15-minute videos. Now I'm like, I don't even know where people are at, because YouTube has shorts. And I feel like that's just not why people come to YouTube, but I'm still trying to keep it at around like the 15 to 20 minute mark, unless it's like a very detailed video. So I thought I could just throw in like here and there, you know, some like 7 to 10 minute style videos, if that makes sense. So yeah, those were the things that I have very thoroughly been enjoying and cannot put down. And I hope you enjoyed. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.